Mysteryman.
Cool, perfect. All right. It's just really nice, man. Can't beat it. This is the name of the beach here, Pavilion Bleu, Bora Bora. Beach slash road slash highway slash real people, real life. It's Mysteryman. Mystery people, welcome back. Welcome back. We are on the way to Bora Bora. I know y'all want to come here for a long time. Check this flight out. Let's get excited. Let's look out the window and enjoy what we got. Mysteryman. All right, everybody. Nice and short flight. Here we are, Bora Bora. You can see that on the sign there. Let's go out to the little jetty, to the little terminal, and we're going to see what we got going on here. Now, we actually have to take a ferry to get to the main island, and then we're going to go from there.
Mr. Man!
All right. Okay, mystery people, this is the ferry that's taking us to the main island. So the airport here is on an island, Bora Bora, and we're going to go on the ferry. So let's get on the ferry together and do what we need to do.
I am a martial artist.
All right, everybody, we're getting ready to get on the ferry right now. As you can hear in the last clip, my voice was a little bit muffled, but that's because we're right next to the airport and they got the engines going. What we're going to do now is we're going to get on this ferry. We're going to the main island. This is where the locals live. Now, if you look at the map of Bora Bora, you have all the leeward islands as well. Those are usually where all the resorts are and all that kind of stuff. We ain't doing no resorts. This Mysteryman, we're going to talk to the real people. All right, let's do it. All right, here we go. Let's do it and go ahead and check out the water. See how clear everything is. You might be able to see some fish in there. Mysteryman. Okay, one more thing that y'all might see. Just like in Tahiti, you'll see a lot of tiki statues. Now, don't forget, j'ai oublié. This is French Polynesia, so I'm going to be speaking a little bit of French. Don't trip. I got the subtitles down there. And if y'all want to learn my Americanized French, you can do that too. Let's go. All right, y'all can see the different colors of the water here. Blue means deep. Light blue means not so deep.
I heard you heard me.
All right. All right, so I just got here and I have no idea what's happening, but that's the best way to travel. Let's take a little look around and we'll probably have to take a cab to town or something, but we'll check out the little airport terminal that we got going on. See where we can go here in Bora Bora.
Texas.
Okay.
Texas.
So this is the main terminal. When you get off the ferry from Bora Bora, we're going to start walking. You're going to be seeing a whole lot of people. Let's see where this language barrier takes us and what we can do. Maybe we'll just get a cab and just go to the beach. I think that's pretty easy. So we'll see what we can do.
You ain't the answer.
And you know, you might be famous too. I made a couple people famous, man.
All right.
Yeah, you never know.
Snoop Dogg is the last one.
Okay, well there you go. Congratulations on that.
Few months ago.
Yeah, man, that's good. I'll say félicitations en français.
Yes, that's it.
My accent est mal, but pas important.
Very good.
Yeah, appreciate that, man.
Because what? You try.
Yeah, we'll see. Most people don't try, right?
Don't try.
But mine is so bad, I don't even bother
You have
sometimes.
a good pronunciation.
Okay, je suis fier de mon accent américain. So.
Yeah.
Appreciate that.
Mr. Man!
All right. Okay, so as you can see, we're starting to go into town. It's very windy, but don't worry, I'm talking over it anyway. So y'all can enjoy the wind, enjoy the view. You see these people walking up and down the street, living their lives. So these are regular people from French Polynesia just doing what they do. Remember, Bora Bora is not all luxury. It's not all like that. Don't be fooled. But it is a nice place. I'm going to give it that. Man, look at the man on the bike, man. Get excited. Let's do it. All right, y'all, I had to stop because this is one of the most famous restaurants in Bora Bora. It's called Bloody Mary's, and all the famous people that came here. My cab driver said he just drove Snoop Dogg the other day, so I think his name is on here. There we go. They need to put Mysteryman on here, but you know what? I might eat here a little bit later, and they will maybe put all of our names on there. Shout out to Snoop Dogg. Shout out to whoever else was on there. And we're all famous in our own right? Mysteryman.
I'm a martial artist.
All right, and can't y'all see how nice it is when you see these palm trees? Now, a lot of places you go around the world, there's not really palm trees on the beach, but over here, you can just be walking, you get hot, you want to take a break, put your little towel down, lay out in the sun or the shade, whatever you want to do, and just relax. Sip on a coconut, do what you do. Mysteryman.
I heard me.
All right. All right, we're gonna start this beach walk. I'm going all the way down. Let's see how far we can go today. Looks like the place to be too. Look how clear that water is, man. It's nice. We'll eventually get around and start talking to people a little bit later, but for now, let's just chill. Look at this, man. We got the shade, we got the beach. I'm gonna go in there soon. What I'm gonna do first is just kind of walk down. We'll walk back and we'll see what we can find. Looking nice, man. The water's warm too.
Texas.
Okay.
Texas.
Nice dogs everywhere. Coconuts in the trees. Yeah, this is paradise, man. MP Pit. That's a nice place to. Looking at a nice beach. It's pretty good. Bonjour. This guy's over here planking next to the dog. They look pretty relaxed. It's just a relaxed kind of place, man. It's pretty friendly, but I'm trying to stay away. It sniffed me. Guess all those mystery people smell really nice. Bonjour.
Mysteryman.
All right. Yeah, so you grew up in Denmark?
Yes.
Okay.
100%.
Okay, 100%. And what's your name?
Christina.
All right.
Christina.
My name is Mysteryman.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, so there you go.
Mysteryman.
Cool, perfect. All right. Have a good day. See ya. So as you can see, mystery people, we talking to people from all over the world. Don't trip. If you feel like you can't talk to nobody in real life, watch my videos. You're going to feel a whole lot better about yourself. We got Mysteryman motivation coming up pretty soon. I'm going to motivate you. I'm telling you, live your best life. Do what you do. Look at some of these fish around here too.
I'm a martial artist.
Alright, I thought it would look a whole lot better on the camera, but don't trip. I think y'all might be able to see one fish. Alright? So point that one fish out, put it in the comments. Let's talk about that one fish. Cool, alright, so Mysteryman Travels is back. Comment tu t'appelles?
Lolita, Virtua, welcome, Bora Bora.
Alright. Enchanté, je m'appelle Mysteryman.
Ah, okay.
Alright. Thank you.
Nada.
See ya. Look at some of these houses on the hill, man. So as you can see, most of the people around actually have their houses on the hill. Now get this. Now most people that actually have their houses on the hill in other countries are very well off, but this is just normal people. Everybody's living like this. And this is your view from across the street.
I heard me.
All right. Let's continue to walk. Mysteryman walking. That's what we do. Just walk along the beach with me. Beach / road slash highway slash real people, real life. It's Mystery Man. Yeah, soda machine. I don't have any coins, but I wanted mine a nice drink, a little drinky drink. All right, and if y'all haven't seen that Tahiti video part 1, they got that Tahitian cola. It's off the chain. Y'all gotta have a little bit of that. Nice hot day, really cool you down. So drink that Tahitian cola. Shout out to Tahitian cola. Everything's just real colorful everywhere, you know?
Texas.
Okay.
Texas.
People fishing, going in the water. It's just really nice, man. Can't beat it. Can't beat it at all. That's the name of the beach here, Pavilion Bleu, Bora Bora. There's only one in the world. Lunch here, got some shrimp and some fries. And here's what I'm eating.
Mysteryman!
Remember, y'all, remember this. It's only part 1. We got so much more Bora Bora coming up. Stay tuned for part 2 coming up. I got some shout outs here. Shout out to shrimp. Shout out to fries. Shout out to the beach. Shout out to the one fish that y'all see. And I hope you enjoyed the next video. Mystery Man. Man, where are you taking me today, man?